I try to give you everything you want. You wanted your file, I found you your file. You wanted out, I got you out. You needed money, I found you some. I am consistent. I told you the truth. I didn't write it down in a book. I told you to your face. And I told Daisy to her face what everyone knew and wouldn't say, and she killed it. And I played the villain, just like you wanted. Because it makes you the good guy, maybe? Yeah, the good guy. And you come back here, all sweetness and nice and sad and contrite, and everyone sits wringing their hands, congratulating you in all your bravery. And meanwhile, I'm here, searching the bus station for the money that was in her robe. Where are you going? I'm talking to you. Susanna. What? You don't like me anymore? 'Cause you're free? You think you're free? I am free. You don't know what free is. I am free. I feel free. And you are gonna go and choke on your average, mediocre life. You know, there are too many buttons in this world. Too many buttons begging. They're just begging to be pressed. You know? They're just begging to be pressed. And it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Why doesn't anybody ever press mine? Why doesn't anybody reach in, rip out the truth, and tell me that I'm a sociopath, or my parents wish that I were dead? I'm free.